My short meeting at two place. Jamie Vanessa Marquez, University Corporation of Caribe Secar. 8 June 2018. English 2. Teacher, Cesar Augusto Lara. My plans for tomorrow. Visit my lunch, accompany my husband to play soccer. Decoration, my decoration. No train tomorrow to Hollywood. My plan for the next week. Travel San Antero, eat crisps with rice, ride on watercraft, buy perfume, swim all mornings. My plan for next year. Graduate from university, my own school, business, go to gym to buy house. My plans for the next 5 years. Studied psychology to have a baby. Be happy at Baker, Light and Medellin. My plans for the next 10 years. Administer my school. Finish academically. Play with my son. Travel to the Bahamas. Recreational educational campaigns. My plan for the next 20 years. Travel. Take care of my parents and in-laws. Open a foundation. Share with my family. Thank you, good. I am going to visit my lunch tomorrow. I am going to accompany my husband to play soccer tomorrow. I am going to make the decoration for the university. I want to try tomorrow. This time tomorrow I will be having lunch. I will travel to San Antero next week to see with my friend Geraldine. I will eat crab rice with coconut and with drink juice or pineapple. Maybe I will have fun at jet ski. I am going to buy fragrances next week. I will sweat every morning in the seat. I will graduate from University of Bachelor of Science. I will have a new year and network in this school. I will do business with my sister in network marketing. I will be go the gym to be fit to fight. The next year I will build a house. I will study psychology in the university. I will have baby with my husband. I will be happy with my family. I will have a pastry. I will lie in Medellin. In the year I will be managing my own school. I will end in academical the psychology degree. I will play with my son in the park and meal. I will travel with my whole family to Bahamas. I will do events recreational education for children or limited resources. I will travel to many places to work. In 20 years, will take care of my parents and my lives. In 20 years, to inaugurate a foundation for children and youth opportunities. I will dedicate time of quality to my home and my family. I will be very grateful to God for so many blessings.